Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And today I have a very fun unboxing for us. Let me just give you a little bit of background of my hair journey. So 2 years ago when I first moved into my new home, I went to a new hairstylist and they literally fried the entire top layer of my hair off, right? So if you look at my hair, let's see, this part, I mean, it's really grown, but it still like has a long way to go compared to like, let's just say down here. Like this wasn't intentional. This is a result of 2 years of hair growth, but it's still very hard for me because the thing is, I highlight my hair a lot. I have been a girl who I'm born a brunette, as you guys can clearly see, but my heart and soul is a blonde. And anybody who knows me the best knows like Morgan likes blonde hair on herself. So a brand called IRESTORE had reached out to me and they showed me their products that are there to help hair growth and promote fixing receding hairlines, helping bald spots. I know with that virus that was going around, it was causing a lot of hair thinning in people. And I think it's really important because I feel like a lot of people are into hair removal tools, but I don't think enough emphasis is put on hair growth tools. Like, let's cut out the extension part, you guys, and let's just get our real hair on track. So I have an unboxing for you. I got this great package in the mail. I'm so excited. I want to open it up with you guys. I want to give you my first impressions and I want to start this journey together. The brand is called IRESTORE right here, and I cannot wait to open this for you. It's professional grade right here. It's FDA approved, so it's safe. I think it's one of the only FDA approved devices for something like this. So yep, FDA cleared for both men and women with Lumitech technology. It's 25-minute treatment, safety tested, dermatologist recommended, enhanced scalp coverage. You guys, I'm not just talking, I mean, I'm honestly talking to men as well. I know a lot of men suffer from hair loss and it's very common, as we all know. So I think putting extra attention on aiding the growth of our hair needs to be, you know, kind of amped up in this industry, you know? No one gives hair as much love as it deserves. I want to open this because I'm so excited. You guys have no idea, and I saved it just to do this with you guys. Okay. Great packaging. All right. Ooh, it's like a present, and it's a helmet, you guys, it's a helmet. You can activate a 2-year warranty within receipt of the item. The items are a little pricey, but don't worry, I have discount codes for you guys, and I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can get a little help with that from your girl, Miss Morgan Talks. All right. Oh, okay, FDA cleared, irestorelaser.com. Stop it. Wait. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Root for healthy hair. Oh, it's so nice. Hold on, I gotta put this box down. Yo, look at the inside. Like, look at all the little laser points for your scalp. That's crazy. And then this is the remote device. Okay, let me just, I have a very small head. Oh! It's nice. And the thing is, when it comes to fitting people, these, I mean, this is just first impression. This is just what I'm noticing right off the bat. These are like bendable. So if your head is bigger than mine, obviously it can fit. Open lock. So I don't know what that means just yet. Laser aperture. Yo, this is like what you pay someone to do for you, except it's at home. Here's the remote. Is it on or do I have to charge it? Let's see. I'm still unpackaging this, but I'm gonna keep this on because I'm vibing with it. I'm vibing with this whole thing. This is so neat. Might be the charger. Oh, perfect. So they gave us a charger. Thank God it's not battery operated because, you know, just charge it. You know, nobody wants to keep buying batteries over and over and over. And it's nice. Like, guys, this is pretty like heavy stuff. because I dye it, obviously, and highlight it, and highlighting your hair does a lot of damage. You know, I never got that, like, Pocahontas, like, long, like, hair down to my butt, because it's the one obviously, this is just, this is natural wave. I let it dry like this, but this is what my hair's texture is like. So having that, like, smooth, long, beautiful, like, hair, I just never had the smoothness. I always had texture to my hair, and I always just kind of, I guess, I am a person that will every so often put extensions in my hair, and I pay a ton of money for them, when really I could just grow my hair out and make it longer. But it's harder than it looks. It really is, unless you have natural, like, a naturally good hair color and a naturally good hair texture. It's very hard to grow your natural hair out, from my perspective. That's from people with my hair type. This is gonna be a little surprise. Powered by nature, backed by technology. Oh my God, it's a shampoo and conditioner. Thickening conditioner, nourishes and hydrates hair to promote fuller looking hair. Biotin, vegan keratin, ginseng, argan oil, and peppermint oil. Ooh, the vegan keratin. I love keratin. Ooh, do I love keratin on my hair? Because I mean, look at its texture. Do you know what I mean? Look at its texture. You put some keratin in this, and then you like style it. Ooh, so good. Okay, and then the thickening shampoo promotes fuller looking hair and helps combat thinning. Guys, I'm telling you, you don't even need, in my opinion, because like when I think of my hair, I honestly, when I would brush my hair in the shower, it would just all come out in the comb, and I had like a bunch of like little static like things just sticking up, and it looked like awful. But my hair was so thin, and my ponytails were so ratty looking. Like, I feel like this is exactly what a lot of people need and should be paying attention to. Honest to God, honest to God. Okay, there's a lot more in here. Grow All Out Growth Activator Serum, thinning hair formula. So you get a hair serum. After washing hair, apply 1 full dropper directly onto clean scalp in the area of hair loss. Oh, so it's only in your hair loss. Apply more as needed. Gently massage into scalp with fingertips. Use up to twice a day. Please shake before use. Wow. Oh my God. So guys, as I tell you guys this, I do want to let you know I'm going to be using this over a period of months. I'm going to be following the direction. I'm going to be checking back in with you guys so you can see how things are going for me. Again, I'm linking everything down below. They did give me a discount code for you guys because this stuff is pricey. I think it's quality, you know, so you're gonna have to pay a little more, but if somebody's gonna offer me a discount to give to my subscribers, you know I'm linking it down below, baby. You know I'm linking it down below. All right, and then I get DHT blocker formula. Saw Palmetto DHT blocker blend. Biotin, it's a dietary supplement. Directions, adults take 2 tablets daily, preferred with a meal. Wow, this is like, if you guys have husbands that are like straight up going bald, like look into this. I'm telling you, this is really, really cool. This is really, really cool. I'm being honest with you guys. If you guys are struggling, like this is like a legitimate, like pharmaceutical, like doctor, like at-home treatment. I'm really like I'm pretty shocked right now. I'm honestly, if I could talk my husband into doing this with me, I'm going to, but getting him on camera is gonna be hard. But maybe if he'll even let me like take pictures of his head rather than coming on camera. He's very shy. And I'm not saying my husband's going bald, but like who doesn't want thicker hair in their late 30s, you know? Everybody wants a thick, healthy head of hair. Okay, good. All right, so this is looking like a 3-month supply for myself, bare minimum 3-month supply. So that's really good because I think stuff like this, it's not like I can wash my hair and then magically, poof, I have more hair. Stuff needs to grow. So yeah, this isn't gonna be something you're gonna use once and see some miraculous result. You know, this, I think with all good beauty, good quality beauty routines, good things take time. Like if you're using a product where you're gonna just have immediate results, I think it's a little like, I don't know. I feel like through health and wellness, good things take time and you get the best results in time. I got a 3-month supply of biotin gummies right here. These look really scrumptious. It's got biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E. It's a dietary supplement. Wow. It's looks like it's vegan. Yep, drug-free, cruelty-free, non-GMO. Directions: adults take 2 gummies daily, preferably with a meal. So this is a very serious beauty routine. I want to open these and I want to try them with you now. I have to charge my helmet, which looks crazy. You know how you come downstairs from like your beauty routines and your hair is like all looking wild and you have like these crazy like headbands in? You're gonna walk downstairs and you're gonna have this freaking helmet on and you're gonna be like, listen honey, it's for the best. Less hair we have to buy. Okay, hold on, I wanna try these. I just wanna try it. I wanna see how they taste for you guys. Looks like a raspberry. Tastes like a gummy bear. It's got a lot of vitamin C in it. It's 30 calories. Let's see. This is also for hair, skin, and nails, which is perfect because if you have been on my channel, like obviously glowing skin, duh, long flowing hair, fabulous nails, you know, it's giving hair, it's giving skin, it's giving nails, it's giving, we are the ultimate beauty channel. And if you guys think I'm following this to a T. I'm following this entire routine to a T. This is so exciting. Stay tuned for a ton more videos. This isn't gonna be a one and done thing. This is gonna be a multiple time use. Honestly, I would always invest in quality gummies. For your skin and nails. It's very hard to find a good quality gummy. So I'm gonna give you guys updates as I continue this product because why not? You know, we spend so much money on our skin. I mean, how much money do we put into our hair? Seriously, how much money do we put into our hair? Like, I don't want to be putting all this money into hair color just so my hair can break. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Hair care, honestly, is so important, and we do need to amp up our hair game on this channel. So to healthy, long, flowing, shiny hair, let's just end the video and wait on the results. Again, linking everything down below and giving you guys a discount, and like, let's just start things off with a bang in 2024. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.